Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based, delicious food for you and your family to enjoy. So today we're gonna make something with this delicious sweet potatoes. Actually, I have a lot of sweet potatoes, okay? Somehow, I'm not trying to collect sweet potatoes, but I think I went to 2 different markets and ended up buying sweet potatoes again, not realizing that I already had some at home. So we're gonna be making a lot of sweet potato recipes on this channel coming up. But today we're going to make something yummy, which is going to be a sweet potato muffin for breakfast. So let me show you what I use to make these delicious muffins. Before we get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. First, we need to start off by prepping our flaxseed egg, and what you'll need for that to make 1 flaxseed egg equivalent to 1 regular egg is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. Just mix that up and set that to the side while you get all your other ingredients prepped. All right, so to a blender, you're gonna grind up 2 cups of oatmeal, all right? Get it nice and fine. You're gonna grind it up to make it like a flour, okay? So let's do that. By the way, everything's gonna be mixed inside the blender, so we're gonna make it super easy and simple. So let's find the high speed on here. Let's see. Here we go. All right, so I'm just gonna use a spatula to kind of like move it from the sides a bit. And then we can add our rest of the ingredients to the bowl. Well, to the blender. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of organic sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So I'm gonna just sift that because I don't want any clumps. As you can see that? If you don't sift it out, see all those clumps? And that's when people will bite into it and get bitter pieces in their muffin. So always sift your baking powder and baking soda for sure. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now you can also add a teaspoon of nutmeg, but I'm out of nutmeg right now. You're gonna add a pinch of salt to that and then blend that up a little bit. Pulse it. Okay, that's good. So now to the blender, we're gonna add a cup of mashed sweet potato. I made these sweet potatoes last night, and I just saved a cup of it. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna add to the blender 6 tablespoons of nut butter. So I'm using almond butter because it's nice and creamy. And 1 cup of your favorite nut milk. We're gonna get that all blended together. Then we're gonna add our flax egg. So it's sort of fluffed up like that. Once you stir, it's like an egg looking. Add that and then blend till completely smooth. All right, so the batter's all ready. So we're gonna fill up my small muffin tin since I have an air fryer slash little oven. I'm going to need to do this a couple times because look how small my pan is. So these will be mini muffins for me. However, for you, you can do between 8 to 12 muffins in the standard muffin tin, okay? So let's get these filled up. And you would leave like put like 3/4 cups of batter inside of your muffin tin if you're using the regular standard size. I'm gonna try to almost fill these up because last time I didn't fill it up and it then make cute little crowns. All right, so now we're gonna pop them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Since it's a smaller, it might have to kind of keep an eye on it because it might cook a little bit faster. So I'm gonna put them in the oven. Let's see how they come out. Our sweet potato muffins are all done. I was able to get 12 little mini muffins. See, here's about the size, mini muffins out of this. So I think that you should be able to get at least 8 nice full muffins from this batter, all right? So let me give it a try, see what it tastes like. Let's see if I can. Make sure you cool them completely, all right? Or they'll stick to the paper. Ooh, it's so cute. And see, these you can like take and put them in your lunchbox and take them to work, you know, if you're not working from home, of course. And you can have these with a nice cup of coffee or tea. Look at that. Nice texture, muffiny. That's good. I like these. It's spongy. Look at that. Nice texture for it being sweet potato, and you can taste the oats in there. I would say you can use a little bit more cinnamon, but it tastes really good. Or maybe add that that half teaspoon of nutmeg. But other than that, it tastes delicious and it's good for you, you know. So hey, why not? I want to also mention, if you're using oats and you can't deal with gluten, they also have available gluten-free oats, okay? So that you can use that as a substitute as well. So either way, these taste delicious to me. I'm gonna make me a cup of tea because I don't have coffee, and I'll make Jimmy some coffee so he can have some with his. All right, so with that being said, I am Rosemary. Thank you for joining me today. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell thing so you can get notification every time I upload a new video. Okay, guys? So I will see you on our next video, and go check out a few more videos while you're here. All right? Bye.